Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm not going to do a long intro because they're going to have a lot of noise around me in a little bit. It has actually already started, but if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so my brows are done, and today to do my brows I would have used my Enjoyyyyy brow pomade in dark brown. And to clean up I would have concealed using my Enjoyyyyy Pro Concealer in this is toast and warm beige, and you know, dark on the bottom and light on the top, but it's still kind of looking light on top because I would have used the same brush. It would have kind of been mixed up. Today to do my eyes I'm using my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, which look like this, and I'm basically just going to be using the red and the brown, and not even much of the brown, but today most of the look is going to be done with the Nightingale palette, and this is from Pretty Vulgar. I have gotten this in a BoxyCharm a very long time ago, and it is really touched, but I'm trying to incorporate a lot of my older palettes into my looks these days. So we are going to start off with the Juvia's Place Zulu palette using this red, and I'm going to use it as a transition. I'm going to take just a bit of the purple from this same palette just to darken the ends a little bit to give it a little rosy color. With the Pretty Vulgar palette now, I am going to use this neutrally tone here, and I'm going to use that just to blow out the top of the transition shade to give it a more blended look. Coming from a little above my tear duct. Alright, so I'm going back in with a little bit of the purple from the Zulu palette, and I'm going in just to the end of the cut crease here. And now I'm going in with the red. Alright guys, so to do my foundation, I am doing it a little different to how I usually do it on camera. I've been trying a technique that that I would have seen TaylorMade Jane do, where to me it's a lot more cost effective and that you use the products just on the areas that you wanted to show. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place in Accra, which is 330. For concealer, I am using my Toffee Pro Concealer, and for contour, I am using this, what's the name of this? Truffle in Pro Concealer as well. So I'm going to place it on my face and then I'm going to come back. It's the products just so I need them to be. So concealer, for highlight, I would have put just under my eyes, under my cheekbone, my chin, my forehead, and along the bridge of my nose. For contour, I would have put it where you contour, by my nose as well as around my forehead. And my foundation, I've put it just in the other spaces in between, and that's just to make sure that everything is properly blended and you could see a proper transition. So now all I have to do is blend it all out. Okay, so for setting powders today, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me in deep for contoured areas and in medium for the highlighted area. So I'm using my regular blush, which is the Nude Blush in Desert Rose. And for highlight, I'm using my Laura Mercier because it has a pink tinge, and I think that will go really nice with this look. So to line my waterline, I'm going in with my Lancome pencil in number 1 black. Smudge it out with the dark brown from this palette. To the purple from the Juvia's Place. Alright guys, so I have put on my lashes, and you guys know that this is my favorite lashes, which is Shop Kenzie Beauty, a local brand, and I am wearing it in dull. And for my lips, I'm going very simple as per usual. I'm using my ColourPop gel liner pencil in Mr. Bing, and guys, this is a liner pencil, but this is what I have been using on my lip for the longest while, and I really like the shade. If I can get a lip liner in this same shade, I will be very happy. And I'm using this Color Pop in Exaggerated. All over my self. Let me know what you think about it. I really like the way everything came out. I mean, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't have posted this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. I know I have not been filming in a really long time, or should I say consistently, but you know how crazy you can get when you have kids at home. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.